Welcome on YouTube, Randy here. I've been away for a long while. I do apologize for that. Had some personal issues to deal with. I was really busy, a lot of stuff. But I'm back. 2017 is not gonna end without me finishing up on YouTube decently, properly. So bless up. Much love, Wagwan, everybody. Blessings to all. Randy's here. Randy's back. Doubt I'll be gone for a long period of time in the future again. So I'm here, but I said had to deal with some stuff. So bless up. Randy's here. Randy's back. Oh, feedback. Let me so feedback is taken care of. Wagwan Infractured, Wagwan, blessings to you, Merry Christmas. Hope you enjoyed your Christmas as well. I had a great Christmas. For me, Christmas is not about the presents, it's about spending time with my family. So I was able to spend time with family. That was the Christmas present that I always look forward to. Bless up Dr. Wiggler in the place. Bless up my brother. Much love worldwide. Indeed, my brother. So I'm here with everyone. Yo, LMG then at the place too. Well, go on LMG, Lemon GF. Much love. I really missed you guys. It was a well needed break. I had to deal with some stuff. But I'm glad that I'm back, able to see you guys, able to do this YouTube thing again. And yes, I had some good food with the family. They got me cooking all Christmas. So cheers for my tea, cheers for the spliff. First spliff with you guys in a long while and first spliff for the day. Here's a Rake and Bake by Randy Gaston. He's back. Tell everybody say Randy's back in the place. So how is everyone? I hope your Christmas was wonderful. I had an amazing Christmas with my family. Um, we ate, we talked. They tried my brownies for the first time. Yeah, so it was a really good Christmas. Blessings to all. Thank you, Dr. Wiggler. Well, of all the skills that I got, cooking is the best one, and mom enjoys it. So thank you. Just did some Christmas dinner for the family. Let me light this up. Cheers, everyone. But if you see me like licking around the surface, I think I learned to ensure that I don't have canoes or it's burning improperly. I just burn how I want it to. So just pointing it out there. Bless up everyone. I said I really missed you guys. It was needed. Needed for me to get away for a bit. But in my absence I missed the moments where we just basically shared here on YouTube on live streams. So I'm back, and 2018 is going to be a banging year. 2017 is almost over, just a couple more days. So hope everyone is just feeling blessed and looking forward to the new year. And cheers to everyone. Cheers worldwide. Much love worldwide and best up. You know what? As much as I love the Fugees, I have to play this song. In this world of calamity. Nitro Nomad, bless up, my brother. Glad to see you here. Glad that you're here. Bless up indeed, my brother. And I said I'm back, just having a weekend break with the family, with you guys. It's been well overdue. Well overdue. Keep it burning on the road to Zion. Jamaica missed you as well, Dr. Wiggler. Abuse the authority. Hey. Your meditation without a doubt. Hey. So I'm gonna welcome you back to Jamaica the right and proper way with this song. Welcome to Jamaica. Jump with the dogs and campers. Go now within a one back. If in your handbag, your knapsack in your back. What fella see your reverend contact some boy not know this. I'm gonna come around like tourists. On the beach with a few stories. And pose like the name Chuck Norris. I know the real hardcore cause Sanders are no back crew. The folks them we do it them that I won't think don't make them back to unless you carry guns and that too. I'll be your tough king from my job. When Trench Town man stop laugh and black off traffic. Then every young pop up and then start. Regarding the testers, let me pause it for that question there. Regarding the testers that I grew Incredible Ball Cross with Ghost, Blueberry, Godbud, Blue Hawaiian Sativa, Blueberry. I have the Seduction Zone finishing up. Got a couple more weeks to go on that. Like a good 6 weeks left on this Seduction Zone and the Mango. Then again, I gotta ask Sun-Grown Trichomes which one of the plants it is, because he sent me a mystery strain, either the Mango, Mama's Chili Bomb, or Headspace. But in most definite, I'm gonna grow back the Godbud. The Godbud to me is by far my favorite indica. that I've grown as a tester, and it gives me a really steady high. I'm liking it. I like the effects. I like the smells. So a couple of the testers are gonna be grown back. Godbud being the first that I've decided to grow again on a larger scale, where bigger pots, getting a bigger plant, gonna put in additional lighting. But Godbud, I have a couple others. I'm gonna see if I can get a few more seeds to run a couple more genetics. But the testers were successful for the end of the year. The Godbud, the one of the cleanest smokes I've had in a long while. I flushed it properly. The high was over resounding, and I loved it. So yeah, man. Godbud on the list. Anything else, I'll give you an update. And I think for the 2018, I'll do a grow documentary or journal, growing here in Jamaica and everything. So 2018, getting the camera system set up, working the funds on the streets, sort out everything. So run back the music for Jamrock, and hope that answered your question, Dr. Wiggler, and bless up to you, my brother. Boy, I play boy rabbit. Get chopped like a bad habit. Son of a post up if you don't tap it. Rastafari stands alone. Hey. Welcome to Jamrock. People are dead at random. Political violence start down. Radios and phantom. You can get blind by stardom. Now the king of kings are called. Bless up Piccolo. Well, go on, my brother. Much love. I said I'm back. It's been work, chilling with the family. It's been a lot over the past couple of days since you guys haven't seen me. Working on me, had an anxiety thing for the entire week. Yo, bless up to everybody. Much love that you guys are back in the place, showing me love and making me feel welcome. With the extra magazine in a them back pocket, and a bleach at night time in a some black jacket. All who now lock blocks at them all lock rocket. Them will pull you up a cover like a shop socket. Them will run a road block which but the cops block it. And from now till a morning no stop clock it. If them run out a road a broke back ratchet. Subside outside. By the way, quick thing to note: shipping in December is the worst. Shipping in December is the worst. I got a couple of stuff that was stopped at the what's that word? It starts with a C. Customs, yes. I will ship early in the year, knowing this now. I got blunts and like back and forth in and out of the island, and everything just they get stopped. You see why I put that in, because it was horrible having to deal with the shipping companies for the past couple of days. But yo, bless up to everyone. Good vibes, good meditation. Now I'm back. Jamaica is up and running. Was a brief intermission as we change around the island a little bit. Christmas festivities and all of that. But as I said, bless up to everyone. Nice green crack. Green crack, green crack, green crack. It is expensive. Like as you said, I remember somebody saying that they're growing it here in JA. One of the girls, I don't remember which one, but glad that it reached over in a Bermuda, my brother. And look here, if you can get a cut, if you can get seed, best thing. Don't buy the herb, grow it yourself.
All I know is I'm here today, I'm healthy, and I use medical cannabis, and I'm thankful.
Clinical remission from the cannabis oil, and I would rather be illegally alive than legally dead.
This child needs cannabis.
I'd take a hit and the pain would disappear. It was instant. I mean, instant.
I've always looked at cannabis to be a medicine.
People say you get high. You don't get high, you get medicated.
So that people are criminalized.
Okay, so they want 150 for half of a quarter. Not a hold up. That's really expensive. 150 for an 8. None of that. Nice. Nice. Glad you got a little taste. And yeah, it might look like it's on the internet, but sometimes, yeah, some people be like they got this and it's not this. But my God say, oh, you get your touch off of that. The price is indeed expensive. 150 for an 8. No. It's, as I said, it's a strain that is coming into the island. It's new. It's one of those big names. So they're gonna bump it up as much as possible. Trust me, I was doing some herb movements and it's kind of funny. The herb diversity here is based on where I go. If it's heavily concentrated there, it's I got high grade. Gotta show my high grade. Gotta let them see it for themselves. Yeah, not normal stuff. But if it's not highly concentrated, like some areas that I went and the grade of weed, like it was I don't even know what to call that. The weed was so hard I could take it, throw it in the wall, and it would break the wall. So when they saw my stuff and saw the quality, yeah, man, instant shift, instant purchase. But as I said, that's a top brand, consider that top shelf strain, so it's gonna go for a lot.
I'm tired, we should all be able to use it. It's real medicine.
Medication. Your medication makes me high. Just be patient. Like a patient trying to find levitation. Run your fingers down the spine. Elevation. The medication makes me high.
Such a short way up and such a long way down. And this is a bubble like when they are right now. The way you're sucking up it up, you weigh 5 pounds. In a piece of marijuana, that is my playground. I love you, Mary Jane. You're the prettiest of flowers, girl, I can't complain. When I'm with you, I feel so high, I rise above the rain. I love the people that me like that bitch cocaine. No, I leave them now feeling only pain. Cause your DNA is of the highest strain.
Bless up to that, Miss Dr. Wiggler. Got that bong hitting. Bless up.
Always keep the flying on the highest plane. And anybody know will always proclaim.
Your medication makes me high. Just be patient. Like a patient trying to find levitation.
Run your fingers down your spine.
Levitation. The medication makes me high.
Your leaves of green, your purples and blues, short little kids, door women too. And I say to myself, wonderful world. And I say to myself, wonderful earth. Look how Babylon's son of me. Them 50 years, so you love only woman.
What I'm blazing on Piccolo is I got some kush from St. Elizabeth. So this is what I'm testing now. This is what I'm blazing on. Don't got the name of the strain, but no, it's from St. straight off the farm.
Medication makes me high.
Smoke some fresh dried piece of gorilla blueberry OG. Nice. Blueberry OG smells insane. Yo, they should. The OGs have that pungent smell. But blueberry, nice.
And she never post like it was a real slow speed. No fertilizer, natural American feed. No cross pollination, she's a real pure breed. Cultivated with love, but she's not grown for greed. She's everything the world and also all I need.
And that's a great question to ask. What's everyone smoking on? What you smoking on? What kind of keef, shutter? What are you smoking on, people? I'm smoking on some random kush from St. Elizabeth. Best up for that.
Medication makes me high.
Got the lion and will grow for your cause. And your community at all costs. Never yet run stand your ground to the last. Real outlaw people love with the gas. No old woman first can get grab up. No juvenile on the road after dark. No visitors can get up in the park. Yes, boy, we finish before them start. No shaka can't be no juvenile gun. No stinginess when this night money run. No little shop can't get looking at this slum. All who perpetrate and they back up and run. No man do more than their share of text. One vice attack just like Simon says. No man no teeth when they have to cheat beer. It make one broke out and it a penny each year. No man no fruit when a man a make food. Things that the road is them and them a get rude. No shot no bus when a man a keep trade. No man no disturb the children please. You can't no broke when you hear that's a keep. The last man will try on the black crystal sheet. Them here says, let me rich. No man no talk when they in a right space.
Yeah, we got Nitro Nomad with that Smurf Villa. Best up. We got Lemon with that Gorilla Glue cross with that Blueberry OG. That Blueberry OG. Best up, much love. And Dr. Wigger with that mixed key of Critical Kush, Death Star, Monster Cookies, mad thing. Big up for that. And that is true, Lemon. It's always good to get a new strain because after a time, your body get used to it. You need to switch it up so you can feel that high. Bless up, growers love to dot grow for 20. Bless up, my brother. Cheers to you, my brother, as well. Best up from the UK. The UK massive showing love as always. The US massive always here. Best up to everyone. Thank you guys for making me feel welcome again. Been away for a while, but I needed the break. wasn't feeling well, wasn't feeling myself, so decided not to lie to anyone and come on and try to fake anything. Took care of myself, spent some time with the family. Everything that was done for the week I was away was needed, and I'm back, ready to basically stir up the pot and start things up. So I was skank sweet with some chronics right now, and I said glad that I'm back with you guys. And I'm glad that I'm seeing the new year, getting closer to the new year with you all. So Wagwan people, much love. Wagwan. How's the holidays for you? Did anything interesting? For me, I baked a lot of brownies and got most of the family high. And bless up Benny Loco. Benny Loco in the place. Wagwan. Bless up from Jamaica, my brother. Light up a spliff. Skanking sweet. And yes, I checked out the gas fire link that you sent. Is really interesting. I'll definitely check it out if I don't burn myself trying to do that. But it's interesting converting the heat into energy. Yeah, man. We need to find alternative ways to get that power. And yes, man, brownies. I made double chocolate brownies for the Christmas. That was awesome. That was amazing. Everybody mash up, frost out, and everything. And there's a mosquito in here. And I missed. I'll eventually get it or just spray the place. Don't like mosquitoes. Everybody wanna feel like free. Forget the troubles and the rocks with me. You know feel already music sweet. We're skanking sweet. We skanking till I'm morning club. Until the day my troubles. Hallelujah. We're grooving in a Jaja name. Yeah, I'm glad that I inspired Benny. Make those brownies. Oh God. Like for me, making the brownies from scratch was the perfect thing. Got my cocoa, made my topping, chocolate topping. Yeah, everything have really nice. The missus got messed up. Mom called and say, "Yo, she got a decent night rest out of it." Brownies got a good reception. So brownies to the world. And yes, man, Piccolo, use gas, basically wood gas, charge batteries, run the lights. Gas fire are basically fire generator. Check it out, people. Great alternative energy method. Best up to Piccolo for sharing that. And best up Midwest Outlaw. Cheers. Much love for the Christmas. Best up to you, brother. And I'll do a video of how to make brownies. That would be interesting. Cooking with Randy. Need to do that. And did the brownies take down any shaky wires? It took down one of shaky wire. There were people in the car sleeping because of the brownies. And I'm just there doing business. I had more than most individuals. I know, like I just didn't get too messed up, but my body just loved the brownies. But shaky wires them get slapped down by a brownie.
Black eye, black hair, black skin, black Kingston majestic with the black king. Today I'll sing you a black song you need to hear about you.
By the way, I'm gonna go for the brownies and show you guys.
Black lips, black book, black market, black Friday, spend off your black bitches. I've never seen a doctor in black, nor seen a black pill to cure a black people. But I've seen witch doctors like Cash and Molly resurrect like a real black people. Malcolm, Marcus, Martin. When you see Walter Rodney Austin, oh, you know hear for our laughing. So when the little offspring asking, tell them they never told us that black is beautiful. They never told us black is beautiful. They never told us that black is beautiful. They never told us. They never told us that black is beautiful. You will behave when I'm gone like you never spent 500 years on a farm. The same chain you are wearing a gone is another black life you see here a Leon boy. Find out from a bird that you will then. Find out from a bird that you will then. You work hard just to get a black yard.
Well, go on, chaotic world, bless up in the place, and no worries. As I said, I was with family myself. My brother. But yes, this is my brownie creation, Frankenstein, whatever you want to call it. I just basically pour chocolate, homemade chocolate on top. So yeah, made wheat butter, can of butter, and just bake the brownies. Fully infused, fully potent as far, and knocking down shaky warriors.
Black is beautiful. They never told us that black is beautiful. They never told us. They never told us that black. Oh no.
And no worries, Lemon GF. Your piece already saved up in the fridge and cooling for you, chilling. Yes, they are moist. They have a nice crumbly texture to them. But the major thing is that weed smell. That marijuana aroma, that cannabis infusion. That's really potent in the brownies. And don't worry, I'm going to email you your slice to you, Lemon. So yes, for the Christmas, not only Christmas cakes are being baked, but brownies are being baked. Really nice Christmas indeed.
She says she needs more than a friend. That's all I've ever been. Yo, when one day you gon' understand.
Well, go on, KNJ. What's up? Well, go on. Bless up in the place. And yes, medicated brownies are. Yes, true to all evil, but the truth to a happy life. Not in a lie. I enjoy taking brownies. Don't have to roll up a spliff, just get medicated off of the pastry goodness. Alright, for most people, one slice, like one cube of this, will get you nice and mellow. If you're new to the brownies, you're gonna get really nice and mellow. for me, since I've basically been smoking all my days, 2 slices and I'm good to go. So I just basically break them up into 2 by 2 cubes and then I'm good to go. I said 2 of these cubes and I'm basically in bed being all woo. But normally 1 slice and you're good to go.
They said it's poetry. I'm in love with you. Love you. Love you. Love you. Now you. Love you. I'm in love with you. Love you. I'm so in love, baby.
And I made about 9 of these.
I'm so in love.
I made about 9 pans.
I don't care what people say.
Yes, I bake heavily. I like baking. I like being in the kitchen. Makes me feel relaxed. So if you see Randy come over and after the second day he's in the kitchen, don't worry, he's just relaxing and getting into his comfort zone. And you're gonna have a dinner and much more.
That's all I've ever been. But one day you won't understand. You do what you do today. And when I look in your eyes, I know that you were meant to be my soul. Just really come on. I mean it desperately. I'm in love with you. Love you. In love with you. In love with you. See, I'm in love with you. Love with you. I'm in love with you. In love with you. I'm so in love, baby. I don't care what the people say. I'm so in love, baby. And I don't care what your teacher said. I'm so in love, baby. I don't care what the rockers say.
Yo. Well, go on, T man. Much love, blessings to you, my brother. And that is true, Benny Loco. Seriously, once I'm in the kitchen and I'm in my comfort zone, you don't hear anything from me. I just start smoking a spliff and start making everything from scratch, baking, cooking, and then I'm like, there's dinner. Eat it and don't disturb me. I just like being in the kitchen. It was a way for me to just enjoy creating stuff. And I like food. I really love food. So it goes hand in hand being a stoner, being a cook, get to enjoy your munchies. Okay, my song I'll play. Let me rewind this. And yes, it's a Randy thing. Randy's love being in the kitchen. Then again, I like being in the kitchen and I'm a Randy. I'm going to take out the can of butter. I'm going to show you guys the can of butter that I made. Just start off it. Yeah, so my can of butter, it just froze chunky. I don't mind, I can melt it down. But all of this right here is can of butter. Extracted about 2 pounds of butter to a good ounce of weed. Yeah, nice little ratio. Potent, strong enough to put people down. I don't have to use a lot of oils when I'm baking. I don't like using oily substance in my food. The body produces its oils already. Don't need to be adding too much. And Benny Loco Grand made me a lovely pumpkin spice kind of cake for your birthday. It's amazing and seasonal. Bless up, yo. Glad that you got a Randy that can cook. So it's 11:43 here. One second.
She would shampoos a lot. Several mornings she shampoos my locks. Always have my back, she thank you to that. Real type of love it, thank you for that. Yo, run up your foot, you love your shoes and socks. She took herself clean, another catch, no rush. And she love me for real, enough, he have no touch. And then a little thing from the split, she splash. Yo, all this playing is like you forgot. Use cheddar reserve, they never prove the rat. Double listen, couple with the Martin with the chat. There was round Bob Marley and some super cats. So it seems like she live up on the deeper shop. Cause she don't get the scratches on the deep spot. When the one deep start is when one deep stop. 1 9 to 5, 1 5 to 12 o'clock. You see me? Here we go again, my love. You know, I never let you go. One love, beautiful. Here we go.
And yes, custom socks. They make life so hard for me. I'm glad you hired Dr. Wiggler. And regarding how many times do I wash my butter? Regarding my butter, I basically get pound margarine, melt it down so I can basically remove that milky substance on it. They call it a clarification, clarifying the butter. So, ooh, all I do is just boil it, clarify it, strain it about 4 times. Then it's good to use. Nice and clear, golden. And that's what I do with my butter. Just boil it down. Basically, I just melt the butter, strain off what needs to be strained off, get it as clean as possible, get it as pure as possible, golden looking. And nowhere Midwest Outlaw. Glad that you asked so I could clear that up for you. Yeah, Benny, very beautiful butter. I like it as golden as possible. So when I extract it, it doesn't look too dark. It has that rich color of being infused with cannabis. As you can see here, not too dark, but potent as fuck. Oh yeah, I know. Don't know how to make butter professionally. If that's the case, there may be other processes to this. I just made a makeshift way. Even use my crock pot and everything. So my version of peanut butter, and it worked out well. Where did I put? Oh, there it is. Let me mellow it out with one of these. I would not encourage anyone to eat a tablespoon of peanut butter. Hey, I made the mistake when I was in Kingston of using it like for my toast. I was buzzed all day. Play some Barrett and leave it while we want to relax. Actually, supposed to get ready and head out into the town, get some business done, ensure that the stuff that I sent off are being sent off. I got work. Ending of the year, I got to be as busy as possible. Starting of the year, new movements, new meds, everything. Peanut butter eating contest. I'm not gonna join. Cause I'm a shaky warrior for the rest of my life, but me know better. If I take a tablespoon, oh, I'm smelling the butter from here and it's giving me a high. Me nah test it. I'm blessed up for that Piccolo. 2018 new movements indeed. We gotta be contacting each other more so we can ensure that you're growing and getting all your stuff. And I don't know. I don't really know what I'm gonna gain from us contacting, but I really don't care. Just want another Caribbean grower to be pushing that food quality herb there. Yes, the man. You decide to go take the RSO and then go start up like a Ferrari. I am not revving out on no highway. I'm sorry, I know the limits to my high. I don't want to be like couple minutes after Randy, you're good. I'm like slow motion. Well, I know a little bit about Lights Piccolo, so we can trade knowledge. Plus, I'm good friends with Photon Phantom, so we can set up a thing where we learn about the lights them together. Cause that's a great investment, especially being here in the Caribbean. That is. And well, then, man, you would be taking off. If I tried that spaceship, no, I would be in the next galaxy. Whoa, street, I'm broad, I'm broad, I'm broad. A DMX controller. I'll look into that as well for you and ask Fulton about it. I think Dutch Grown is still here. So guys, I'm gonna get myself ready and head out into the town, get some business done. It was a blast being here. I'm back. I'll be doing my wake and bakes in the morning, my ganja talk in the evening. So thank you guys for just having me here. Thank you all for just making me feel welcome again. Much love worldwide, much love from Jamaica to everyone. Best of Edix are just a foul in the place. Tell them about the brownie. Stop with people. But yeah, gonna get some stuff done. Much love to my people, much love everyone. It's a blessing just being here on this forum. And thank you guys for making me feel like I didn't miss out on too much. Gonna get work done, gonna do what I need to. And yes, much love for you being here, Dr. Wiggler. Always a blast having my friends visit Jamaica any way they can. So much love, as said before. And Randy Gaston out. Peace to everybody. Have a great day. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, seasons greetings, and much love, blessings, prosperity, guidance, and full enjoyment all around.